In this session, let us learn about Java math methods. Java math methods. The Java math class has many methods that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. A list of all math methods can be found in the table below. See, x method returns the absolute value of x. A cos method returns the arc cosine of x in radians. A sin method returns the arc sin of x in radians. A tan method returns the arc tangent of x as a numeric value between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 radians. A tan 2 yx method returns the angle theta from the conversion of rectangular coordinates xy to polar coordinates r theta. CBRT method returns the cube root of x. Ceil method returns the value of x rounded up to its nearest integer. Copy sign method returns the first floating point x with the sign of the second floating point y. Cos x method returns the cosine of x is in radians. Cos h method returns the hyperbolic cosine of a double value. Exp method returns the value of e. Xpm x method returns e to the power of x minus 1. Floor x method returns the value of x rounded down to its nearest integer. Get exponent x method returns the unbiased exponent used in x. Hypot xy method returns square root x square plus y square without intermediate overflow of underflow. IEEE remainder xy method computes the remainder of operation on x and y as prescribed by the IEEE 754 standard. Log x method returns the natural logarithm base e of x. Log 10 x method returns the base 10 logarithm of x. Log 1 p x method returns the natural logarithm base capital E of the sum of x and 1. Max xy method returns the number with the highest value. Min xy method returns the number with the lowest value. Next after xy method returns the floating point number adjacent to x in the direction of y. Next up method returns the floating point value adjacent to x in the direction of positive infinity. Pow xy method returns the value of x to the power of y. Random method returns a random number between 0 and 1. Round x method returns the value of x rounded to its nearest integer. Rint method returns the double value that is closer to x and equal to the mathematical integer. Sin num method returns the sign of x. Sin method returns the sign of x is a radians. Sin h method returns the hyperbolic sin of a double value. Squared method returns the square root of x. Tan x method returns the tangent of an angle. Tan h method returns the hyperbolic tangent of a double value. 2 degrees method convert an angle measured in radius to an approx equivalent and measured in degrees. 2 radians x method converts an angle measured in degrees to an approx angle measured in radians. ULP method returns the size of the unit of least precision ULP of x. Note, all math methods are static. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 61, Java math methods and Java complete course. Practice all the examples given in the courses in your any editor.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.